Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, cruise control, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel and the license plate front mounting package. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.